Hi, my name is Kelly Shostrom, and I'm wondering, have you ever Googled, when will I become debt-free? Or if I make extra on my minimum payments, will I become debt-free even faster? Or how about, I just need to get started, what debt should I start tackling first? We are going to answer those questions for you. We are going to figure out exactly a strategy that will work for you and your timeline. And so if you haven't watched the first video, it's linked below. Go ahead and watch it. Otherwise, let's get started and let's get you debt-free. Jumping inside of the app, we are going to see the debts that we have listed from the first video. So we'll see our Toyota car payment, our Visa card, our Discover card, and then our knee surgery. Now, currently, our strategy says that we are only making our minimum payments. We are doing $0 for extra payments. So we're just making our required payments each month. And then that'll tell us the plan. So in this current plan, it'll tell us when we're going to become debt-free, how much interest that we're going to be paying over the next 30 days as well as total, and then also how much we're making in total payments. And you'll see a detailed plan here, step by step, on which debt you're paying and when they will become paid off. Now, the best part about Debt Payoff Planner is we are able to customize this even more to get a strategy that will work for you. And so let's talk about extra payments. All right, now within the strategy section of the app, there are two things that I want you to focus on. First is the funding, and this is simply the amount of money that you have to make your payments every single month. And so it's going to be set aside in a nice safe spot, maybe your checking account or your savings account, to make these payments and to not forget about them. All right, and the second item is the extra payment priority. This is simply, where do you want this extra payment to go? And so within the app, you'll see that there's a lot of data in there to help you determine where you should be making these extra payments. In the strategy section of the app, you'll see right at the top, you have reoccurring funding. So this is the money we're setting aside on a regular basis to be able to make our payments. You'll see the minimum amount that you're setting aside to cover your minimum payments, but we also want to set aside a little bit extra so that we can become debt-free even sooner. So go ahead and click on extra, and here you'll see that you'll be able to become debt-free in January of 2030, which is in 6 years and 10 months from now. But we're going to play around and we're going to say that if we save an extra $250 a month, we'll be able to actually become debt-free in January of 2028. That is a full 2 years sooner than just paying our minimum payments. Now, this is really exciting because this will tell us we're going to become debt-free in 4 years and 10 months. And all we have to do is type in a number and the app will do the math for us. So after we decide on the $250 extra that we're going to save per month, let's go ahead and click Save. Now, again, if we scroll down, we'll have these one-time fundings, and this is going to be tax returns that we get or bonuses from work. This is money that we're setting aside that just happens not on a reoccurring basis like above. And so think about how much realistically can you afford to set aside extra each month to become debt-free even sooner. Now let's talk about the extra payment priority. Right now it has debt avalanche listed, but there are other options. So if you go ahead and select it, you'll see debt avalanche is actually going to prioritize our highest interest rate first. So this is a debt that has the highest interest rate. Those extra funding, that money that we're setting aside extra each month, is going to be targeting this debt. Now you can also choose the snowball, which is going to prioritize your lowest balance first. And then you can also have a custom plan. But if you scroll through on the slider here, you'll be able to see the benefits of which plan so that you can actually make an informed decision based off of your exact debt. So on the next page, you'll see the advantage of the debt avalanche being the fastest payoff and the least interest paid over time. But the debt snowball is going to give you the most quick wins. So let's dig in for a little bit more information. The time to the first debt being paid off, the debt avalanche is going to be 1 year and 10 months, but the snowball is actually going to be 7 months and 29 days. So this debt snowball will get us to that first debt being paid off a little bit sooner than that debt avalanche. But if we scroll to the next page, the time to all of our debts paid off, it's actually going to be the debt avalanche that's going to be the winner here. We're going to become debt-free in 4 years and 10 months versus the snowball method, we're going to become debt-free in 5 years and 7 days. And if you go to the last screen, this is where you're going to see the interest saved. And so with the debt avalanche method, I'm going to save $8,135.90 and the snowball saving $6,434.63. Now for me, I really like that I'm saving a lot of money on the debt avalanche here, but I know a lot of people like the quick wins because when we can pay off those smaller debts first and we get rid of them, we can be more motivated to stay on track along the way. but you know yourself best. And so go ahead and choose an option that is best for you, knowing the data here. And I'm going to go ahead and stick with Debt Avalanche. Now looking inside of the plan, you'll see that based off of the extra payment prioritization, we're going to have our knee surgery paid off first, and that's going to be in January in 2025. So let's go ahead and go look at that quickly. So back in the strategy, remember our prioritization is down here. We chose Debt Avalanche, and that was going to get us the highest prioritize the highest interest rate, but it's also going to more importantly have the fastest payoff and the least interest. But if we chose to snowball, which is going to give us the most quick wins, we'll be able to see it reflected in the plan. So go ahead and go back, and we'll have that same knee surgery being paid off, but it's actually going to be paid off in October of 2023. All right, you can also use a custom strategy, remember, for your extra payment prioritization. Now, this is in case maybe you want to pay off mom and dad first, or you had that credit card from studying abroad in college and they just don't fit into the other plans. So use the custom feature and then select which debts you want to pay off first so that you can build a plan that will work for you. I'm going to go ahead and go with the Avalanche. So go ahead and click there, and we'll see that plan paid off. Again, it's taking a little bit more time for that knee surgery to be paid off, but overall, I'm going to be paid off with all of my debts more quickly. All right, and don't forget to use the app. The dashboard on the homepage is going to be your tool to figure out all the data points when you're going to become debt-free. So taking a look inside the app, you're going to see right on the front page your debt-free date along with a countdown of when you'll become debt-free. There's also a lot of other good points here, so be sure to check on this to stay motivated along your journey. And don't worry, we'll dive more into staying motivated in future videos, but for now, just know that the tool is here and we have all the points that you need to stay on track. All right, there you have it. No more vague strategies. You actually have a plan that works for you, and you didn't even have to do any of the math. We did all of it for you. You just got to make a decision based off of the numbers and a plan that you know that you can be confident in. Now, go ahead and enter your debts and choose your strategy if you haven't already done so. Use this momentum so that you can actually get a plan that will work for you. And go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that you get access to all the future videos that we have coming up to help you stay motivated and also become debt-free. Until next time, we'll see you later.